vector for vector addition, and the fourth is additive inverse of a vector. Now a very simple properties. Identity vector for vector addition. Now number 3. Now what this means? The zero vector is identity. The zero vector is identity vector for a vector addition. Okay. Now let vector A, this represents, be any vector, then vector A followed by vector 0 is equal to vector A itself. For all values, vector A belongs to any vector. Now let vector OA is represented by vector A, and vector AA is equal to vector 0. Then vector A followed by vector 0 is equal to and this is equal to OA. Triangle law of vector. Hence vector A followed by vector 0 is equal to vector A proved. Now this is third property. Now for the fourth one. Fourth one is additive inverse of a vector. Additive inverse. Now what is additive inverse now? The negative that is negative of A, the negative value, negative of A of a vector is called additive inverse. Okay. So for any vector, negative of itself of that particular vector is called its additive inverse. Now let vector OA is represented by vector A, and then AO will be represented by negative of this one. Is it clear? Now vector A followed by negative of vector A is equal to OA followed by AO, and this is equal to triangle law of vector. hence proved. This is also proved that additive inverse of vector A is negative of vector A.